So this is the first time I'm leading on a ride, and we got our new friend Larry, who has a 2023 Villain, to come along with us. And as quickly as possible, we got him on our favorite scary climb, right up Widowmaker. He's right behind us. Turns out, he did really well. There's more ridges and more crazy steep climbs as we scare ourselves on the way to the creek. How Larry's doing behind us, I don't know. I'm too busy trying not to die. So that's Sycamore Creek down below us. There's no water at this part. We have to go a little bit further. But to get there, we have to go down some more really steep, I'm going to say butt pucker. It's butt puckering steep, just like the climbs have been. You'll notice that in many spots, those walls are really steep, very, very close. Not much space between our vehicle and the wall. You got to pay attention. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, but a lot of fun. I'm still working on my two-pedal driving, trying to keep the engine braking working without hitting the brakes. Although sometimes you got to tap the brakes and tap the gas to keep the clutch from releasing. Sometimes I'm pretty good, sometimes I'm not. Still working. It took a little while for us to get down to the creek, and there's still some water left, although it's almost dried up. This is Robin's favorite part, of course, playing in the water. She's getting really good with the camera. You can see she's hanging out the window and managing to get Larry and his film following right along. There's going to be a bit of water video. So with the water, we tend to start out slow, scope it out, find out safe to play, make sure it's not too deep, too soft, too many rocks that can cause damage. And once we get that under control, that's when the fun begins. You can see I got Larry pretty good. Don't worry, he gets me, he gets Robin, I get Robin, we get each other, we're all drenched. It's so much fun. Well, we moved further down the stream and another nice spot to play. And Robin got out to do some videoing. Standing next to a rock, she made herself a prime target.
Ow! Ow! You got me really wet!
I got Robin back in the Villain, and we continued down the creek on our way home, but that didn't mean we stopped playing. Oh no, there was so much more fun to be had. Still heading home, but it took us right back to the base of Widowmaker.
Going up Widowmaker. he was up on 3 wheels on that one. They're coming down now. Here comes Ed. And then Larry. Holy cow. Oh yeah. Wow.
Robin got in the villain with me for this run up the Widowmaker. It's really hard to tell just how deep those holes are. But believe me, they're deep. They toss you all over the place. And those walls are very close together. This is such a fun climb.
I think they're on their way back up. I think Ed has mastered the Widowmaker. Here comes Larry in the first villain. And there's Ed in the next villain. And that's, I think, again, Ed has mastered the Widowmaker.
I don't know that I've mastered the Widowmaker, but I do feel a lot more comfortable on that, going up or down. And now we're on the ridge on top, but we're heading out. And there is one more little rough section going up on the way back, and it's certainly got Robin's attention.
Oh shit! Sorry.
Well, that's it for this recording. Use the comments section below if you want to share your experience at this location or maybe recommend an area that you really enjoy. Please keep it clean. I want this to be a family-oriented channel, so review what you type before you submit it. Thanks. I apologize if you happen to hear something during the ride's recording that may not sound family-oriented. I will try very hard not to let certain words slip out during an exciting moment. We'll see how that works. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it, please hit the like button below. Share the link with your friends. Be sure to subscribe so you can easily keep up with my latest videos, which will continue to cover things like Segway Villain Owner's Area of Interest, reviews of accessories, where to ride, tips about the villain, how-to videos, and lots more. Yep, there's going to be more. Thanks for watching.